Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. I'm pumped to dive into something that could change your life building wealth. And no, not just the hustle 24/7 kind of wealth. I'm talking about passive income, the kind that lets you earn while you sleep, while you travel, while you literally sip coffee on a beach somewhere. Today, we're diving into 5 passive income stream ideas for 2025 that you can't afford to miss. Whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your income, these strategies are accessible and, more importantly, built for the future. So grab your notebooks, buckle up, because we're about to break down each opportunity step by step. Alright, let's break down what passive income actually is. It's not about getting rich quick. It takes effort, strategy, and time. Passive income means creating income streams that need less of your direct time and effort. You build or invest in something that generates income over time. The job market is changing rapidly, becoming more competitive and automated. Multiple income streams provide security, flexibility, and faster financial goals. It's about designing your life on your terms. Imagine waking up and choosing to work on projects you're passionate about. That's the power of passive income. First up, let's talk real estate. I know what you're thinking. Declan, I don't have hundreds of thousands for a down payment, neither do I. That's the beauty of real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise or CrowdStreet let you invest in huge commercial properties with as little as a few $100. You're essentially becoming a fractional owner, sharing in the rental income and property appreciation. It's a hands-off way to tap into the typically exclusive world of real estate investing. Plus, it diversifies your portfolio beyond the volatility of the stock market. Imagine earning monthly or quarterly dividends just from owning a tiny piece of a skyscraper in New York City. Next, let's talk about putting your money to work in the stock market. No day trading, no risky bets, just consistent passive income with dividend-paying stocks. Invest in companies with a strong track record of paying dividends like Johnson & Johnson or Coca-Cola. Benefit from both stock price growth and regular cash payments. Look for companies with consistent dividends, strong financials, and a competitive advantage. And always diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread investments across sectors to minimize risk and maximize returns. Chapter 4. Peer-to-peer lending, be the bank. Peer-to-peer lending offers a hands-on approach to passive income. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper connect borrowers with investors. Choose loans based on creditworthiness and interest rates. It's like becoming your own little bank. Potential returns can be higher than traditional savings accounts. But remember, there's also a higher risk involved. Generate passive income while helping individuals and small businesses. Chapter 5. Digital products, create once, profit forever. Let's talk about digital products, create once, sell forever. Imagine creating an ebook, online course, or templates, sell them repeatedly and automate the process. Platforms like Teachable, Podia, and Gumroad help. Focus on creating more or enjoying life. Chapter 6. Affiliate marketing. Recommend and earn. Finally, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is all about partnering with brands and companies you love and recommending their products or services to your audience. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. Only promote products or services you genuinely believe in and that align with your values. By building trust with your audience and providing valuable recommendations, you can create a sustainable stream of passive income through affiliate marketing. It's a win-win for you and the brands you partner with. So there you have it. 5 incredible passive income ideas for 2025 and beyond. Remember, building wealth takes time, effort, and a solid strategy. But by diversifying your income streams and leveraging these passive income opportunities, you can create a more secure and financially free future for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more insightful content. See you in the next video.